Why people feel stuck. You can be working hard, saving money, and still feel like you're not moving forward. Most people are trading more time just to stay in the same place. When they hear build multiple income streams, they try to do everything at once. Side hustle, investing, freelancing, all at the same time. Instead of freedom, it creates chaos and exhaustion. The problem isn't effort, it's that most people are following a strategy that creates burnout, not control. The biggest mistake people make is trying to build too many assets at once. When everything is a priority, nothing becomes stable. Nothing gets predictable, nothing compounds. That's not a discipline problem, that's a strategy problem. Financial progress breaks down when people stack chaos instead of stability. The asset ladder is a simple framework of building income sequentially. Think of it like climbing a ladder, one rung at a time. Make sure it can hold your weight, then move up. You don't build freedom by speed, you build it by sequence. The asset ladder runs on one rule. You only add a new asset when the current one is stable. The 25% rule. Don't build the next asset until your current one consistently covers 25% of your target monthly income. Here's an example. If your target is $5,000 per month, your first asset must reliably generate $1,250 a month. Only then do you move on. Why this works? Stability before complexity. Progress without panic. Most people quit because they feel busy but stuck. This system makes progress visible. When you can see your assets stacking month after month, confidence replaces pressure. Instead of guessing, you measure. Instead of rushing, you build. The system isn't about getting rich fast. It's about taking back control of your time and decisions. Freedom is built through calm consistency. Assets should work harder than you do. Structure beats hustle every time. Calculate your target monthly number, identify your first asset, start there. Begin with clarity, not chaos. You can subscribe for more structured approaches to building wealth.